What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright guys, welcome back to another video as promised. So I've got a nice pork shoulder here, bone in. I know not everybody eat pork, but guys, if you don't eat pork, you could also use a nice cut of beef for this recipe, or even a nice cut of goat meat. All right. We gotta be more mindful of other people's preferences. I get it, not everybody eat pork, but for the people who do, please enjoy this one. If you don't eat pork, leave in the comments. You know, you're gonna try a recipe but use beef or something else. So this one is very simple. So I already did the video of how I make my jerk sauce. So that's what I'm going to be using today. I'll put a link for this one in the description. Some all-purpose seasoning, a little bit of allspice, and some salt. That's it. That's all you're going to need for this one, guys. But before we get to seasoning our meat, we're going to get a sharp knife. Make sure you have a sharp knife, and this is my utility knife. It's very, very sharp. Mom could tell you. We're going to make some little cuts. Not all the way through, but some little cuts. All right. You could feel the bone. We're gonna make little scores, right? That's gonna help our meat cook quicker, and also gonna help the flavor. Also gonna help us trap some of the flavor in. We're not gonna do a lot, not on the other side, just on this side. You could feel the bone right there. I'm gonna do some right there. This is something I like doing to my meat before I even start seasoning. That way some of this seasoning get on the inside. All right, enough of that. Now let's get seasoning. All right, so let's add some more salt, and I'm doing this one in a bowl, as you guys could see, because I don't want it to be too messy. I'm always going to chop it for that. A little bit of allspice. If you notice, I put these before I put the jerk. As I say, you never necessarily need all of that because everything is in here, but a little extra seasoning won't hurt. All right, let's put a little bit some more all-purpose seasoning. All right, a little bit closer. You guys get a closer look. All right, now we're gonna go with our jerk, and we're just gonna massage that into the meat. Make sure you get all of it. And I say, if you don't like pork, you don't eat pork, it's against your religion or whatever, you could always use some nice beef shoulder to make this recipe. All right, so we're just gonna let that sit while the grill is going outside. And it looks like it's gonna rain, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it outside on the grill. Just get the marks on both sides, like 10 minutes on each side, and I'm going to finish it off inside in the oven. But I'm watching the rain to see how the rain goes. So if there's no rain, fully done outside. If this is about the rain, I'm going to bring it inside because I am not staying outside in the rain. All right, we're going to wrap this up, put this in the fridge. For best result, you know, I always recommend doing this overnight, but I'm not going to do it overnight. I'm doing this right now, but at least an hour in the refrigerator. All right, we got the grill going. We're almost there. All right, guys, we're gonna grab a piece of meat. Just place them on top. Oh yeah. We're gonna leave it like that, and that's that for like 5 minutes. Then rotate it, another 5 minutes. Then depends on the weather. Right now, it looks good, but you know, I saw a couple of raindrops earlier. It would make fun from inside, but I'm gonna try and get it done on the outside all the way. All right, now we're going to put them over. All right, look at that nice here. That's what you're looking for, guys. All right, go ahead and cover them down again. All right, guys, so I was able to finish them outside. The rain didn't come. And then that's what we got. Now we're going to go ahead and get some temperature. Alright, I'll let it go, I'll let the more. Alright, and I'll check some part of it is higher than some. So that's looking nice. Let's get a temp right here. Okay, so you can see that's in the middle, right where by the bone is. Oh yeah, we are good. All right, guys. So I'm gonna bring this inside and slice into it. All right, guys. So we're ready. So let's cut into this and see. See that? Nice and juicy. Oh yeah, perfect. That's it, guys. That's it. Nice jerk pork shoulder.